So you've been working on this awesome print and cut project in Cricut Design Space, and when you click make it, you realize, you don't have a printer, or it's not connecting, or it's run out of ink. So what do? Let me quickly show you. So you're going to go and click on make it, and then there's a couple of things that you need to take note of. Number one, just make sure that it does actually say print and cut. So by this stage, you would have flattened your image before you said make it, and then you go on the side and just check the material size. So if you click on the down arrow, there's two options here. It's either A4 or letter, and just double check and make a note of which one you are actually using. So in my case, I'm using the letter, and you're going to say continue. So as per normal, you're going to say send to printer. And what then happens is, instead of sending it to a printer, you are going to print to PDF. So I have a couple of options here. I've got Microsoft XPS document writer, and then this is my favorite one, Microsoft Print to PDF. And that's the one I'm going to print to. So this is basically going to save your image as a PDF onto your actual computer. So if you don't have a PDF printer installed, you can literally go onto your Google search bar and just type in print to PDF, and you will be able to find so many options to download. But I would definitely recommend something from a trusted source like Adobe or something like that. So if you click on print to PDF, just choose one copy. Some people choose not to add a bleed, I always do, and say print. Your project will then be saved as a PDF in the allocated folder, and you can either put it on a USB stick and take it to Officeworks or Staples, or email it to your closest copy shop and go from there. So you want to be sure to give them proper instructions. In this case, number one, you'll tell them, please print in the letter format 8.5 by 11 inches. Number two, print on the highest quality. And number three, what type of cardstock or paper they need to print on. So in my case, I'm making a little money holder, so I will instruct them to print on 110-pound cardstock. Once you've had your project printed out by the external supplier, you will come back to Cricut Design Space, open your project again, click on Make It. Make sure that the material size is still the same, 8.5 by 11. Say Continue. And then instead of saying Send to Printer, on the right-hand side over here, there's an I've Already Printed tab. So you click on that. And then as per normal, you will set your base material, load your tools, and you're good to go. So let me know in the comment section below if this was helpful, if there's any other specific problems that you need help with, or just any other videos that you would be interested in. See you next time.